Hello friends, today I will teach you the one more method for Arduino simulations. Okay, so let's see how we can simulate online Arduino programming. So here is this is an website tinkercad.com. So by using this website we can do simulation online. So it is very easy for understanding. Just go to the tinkercad.com, click on, let's see how we can. Okay, here is circuit. You see, go to Google. First go to the Google, then write Tinkercad. After clicking, this is an website Tinkercad. After clicking this Tinkercad, this windows will be open, and first create your login via clicking here. Okay, here is I'm already created Divyani.Rathod by using this name Divyani.Rathod. Then click on circuit for circuit designing, and for seeing example just click try circuit, or you can say that create a new circuit for creating a new design. We will see one example which is already available in this website. Okay, so it is actually given an example. We will see on next example. Okay, done. You can continue. It's just an without Arduino. The circuitry is given without Arduino. So let's see another example. Here is Arduino is given 3 LED. They are used 3 LED, which is connected to the one resistance, 3 resistors, and connected to the 3 different port of Arduino. And here is this is the window editing components windows, where it is given, and blinking LEDs we can see easily here. LEDs LED is blinking. So first blink green, then yellow, then red. So it tell us actually this window will tell us how it will work. Then after that, here is we can write the code by clicking here. So they are write a code int LED red. They are defining the port for different LEDs. Means they at port 0 the red LED is available, so they given a name LED red. For port 1 they are given a name red LED yellow. For port 2 they are given a name LED green. So we can see here. Okay, right, as I said that LED green is connected to 0, red to 1, and this is green is connected to port 0, then yellow is connected to 1, and then red is connected to 2. As per their connections they are written in code. So let's see what is the value of resistance. Just double click on this resistor. They are given a name 3, and the resistance value is 200 ohm. We can change the value by clicking here. I just want to given a name R rest or resist, whatever you want. but I don't want to change the name, just give 3. We can change the value by clicking here. You can write 200, you can write, we can also take a resistors 220 ohm, but okay, we can change the ohms value, resistance values, pico ohm, nano ohm, macro ohm, okay, ohm, whatever we want. Okay, similarly the values is given for second resistor, for third also. Okay, let's see the code for LED. Okay, we saw the connections, right? After in void setup, they are red pin mode, right? For LED output, they write pin mode. Red LED gives an output, LED yellow gives an output, for green also output, because we will see the result, means blink the LED. Okay, so loop, as per I said before in video, in loops they will continuously work as per the programming. So digital write, here is first red LED is low, means it will be off, yellow also off, and green will be on. After 2 seconds, here is the value for 2 seconds, 2000 millisecond means 2 seconds. After 2 seconds, yellow will be on and red and green will be off. Similarly, at the time after the 1 second, red will be on and yellow and green will be off for 3 seconds, and routine will be start from starting. Okay, this is the program is given. So we can, so see this, click on start simulation, will be start, power supply is on, then these 3 LEDs continuously blink one after one, one after one, means this loop will be execute. It is very easy simulation method. Thank you.